Blooms allows you to import external calendars easily. Is your school calendar in Google Calendar? Export it easily to an iCal URL by heading to the Settings button in the top right of your Google Calendar page. After that, click on Settings. Once you get inside, choose the calendar you would like to export. From here, please change the access permissions available to public. Finally, copy the iCal public address in the Integrate Calendar section. Is your school calendar in Outlook? Export it to an iCal URL by heading to the Share button in the Options menu. Please share the email to yourself, as you will be receiving an iCal link. After receiving the email, please copy the link address of the Add This Calendar button and paste it into a Notepad doc. After copying the link into a Notepad document, look at the link closely. Please only copy everything from WebCal to ICS. After copying the link, please go to your Blooms class or community. Click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, choose Edit Settings. After that, please click on the Calendars tab and Import Calendar iCal. Finally, please fill in a calendar name and copy and paste the iCal address you copied before. Blooms will import your calendar within 12 hours.